Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. What are you having tonight for supper? We're having homemade potato soup, a little healthier version than I normally make. Add a little turmeric to it. And then right before we serve it up, we put some bacon on top. Been having some really cold weather, so this is what I call my wintertime food. And to go with the potato soup, we have some homemade biscuits, straight from the oven. Hope everyone's staying warm and you have something good and yummy to eat tonight for supper. For us in Louisiana, it is pretty cold, but that's good because we enjoy doing all of our baking and cooking our soups and stews when it's cold. And baking in the oven helps heat the house, so that's always a plus. Thanks for watching from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.